Alright, what's good, y'all? This is IKEntertainment, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to use the curl sponge. So I'm coming at y'all with the curl sponge method for anybody who wants to try, sponge curls in their hair. Whether you got like a high top, South of France, temple taper fade like me, or whatever kind of style you got, this is for you. Alright, so starting off, obviously you're going to need a curl sponge. I mean, how else would you do this method? So basically you get yourself a curl sponge. I got this, it's like a magic twist sponge, I think it's called. Something along those lines. And one thing you really gotta pay attention to is the hole spacing, right? So the smaller the hole, that works for like really small hair, and it also changes how the curl eventually looks. Like these, I'd say are medium sized, about medium to like, regular size. Because I like my curls like kind of like thicker, but not extremely thick, just like normal, kind of like puff balls or whatever, I don't know. When it comes to the spikes is a whole nother game. The spikes is when you got like probably over 5 inches, and then you want to use this for like those deeper, like, even like the pyramid type stuff, like for those deeper curls that are pretty big. Like my cousin CHIBAREEBA, y'all can check out his channel. It's gonna be down below in the description. We like to call those the Super Saiyans, because it's like it gives you that spiky look. So for me, what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be using this end, because I'm at like about 3.5 inches right now. So you get yourself the sponge. Then what you also want to do is you want to get yourself like a spray or like a moisturizing spray, something of that nature. I wouldn't use a cream, although some people suggest that. I've never used a cream on this, so I'm not going to suggest it to you guys. I like to use Shea Moisture Hold and Shine Mist. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's pretty cool. You just spray a little bit of it on your sponge and you're good to go. Just like 2 sprays. Just want to make sure you guys got this. Alright, so before this, I did my moisturizing method. So right now my hair is all the way out. And I also did my, if you guys watch my how to save your hair during like a bad hair day. It's a bad hair day video. Check that out because that's going to help you as well. So my hair is fully out. It said it's full length. Now I'm ready to use the sponge. So 2 sprays, just 2. So what you want to do is you want to go in the direction of your crown. So mine grows, kind of goes towards like my right hand side. So what you want to do is, for the curls that I'm doing right, I said I like mine kind of like puff balls, just kind of like around and stuff. Not too skinny. It all depends on what kind of look you want to get out of this. So experiment with different types of like curling methods, and that might help you. Alright, so this is what you want to do. Lightly tap it and just go on. So like it's like you're surfing over the hair. Alright, hope y'all can see that. And don't stay in one spot for too long. Stay in one spot maybe like 3 seconds, and you keep moving around. I've been doing this for a while, so I don't need a mirror, but I suggest if you're just starting out, definitely use a mirror. Make sure you get the tip, the crown area, just a little bit. And really, I suggest, honestly, just go for like short bursts in like a specific area, in order to get the best results. So I noticed I gotta probably get here. Behind the ear is like a common area where people tend to fold. Oh, the occipital lobe area in the back of your head. So that's that for right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna check back in the mirror. Get the front a little bit. It's looking decent. So that's pretty much it. It doesn't have to take that long. It's really fast to style, this hairstyle. So what you're gonna notice is sometimes, like at least for me, I can't say for anybody else, but for me, my sides grow the slowest. you know, compared to like anything on my head, right? So my top grows really fast. My back is just like kind of medium compared to everything else, but my sides take the longest. They're just starting to get thick. I got my water on me at all times, so it's starting to get thicker. But for those of you who feel as though like, you know, your sides grow slow or whatever, what you want to do is, because this style usually looks better when you got, like, at least for my style, right, when you got your sides growing out, or at least close to like where your ears are. I noticed like a lot of people don't have methods for like anybody that has a temple taper face, so I'm taking advantage, and that's why I got this method for you. But what you want to do is you take a pick, right? I suggest a plastic. If you use a metal pick, I don't know, for y'all, you know, you might just rip through the whole curls and just have to start over. So like you just take a pick, lift it up a little. Just lift up the curls just a bit. Because doing this, what you're gonna do is you're basically making the illusion that your sides are, you know, longer than what they actually are. And that's how you get them to like kind of stick out. You do it for the top as well. CHIBAREEBA actually taught me this method, so I kind of shout him out. Yeah, that's what you do. Make sure it's even on the next side. You know, be careful, because you could easily just like take out the curls if you're not looking, if you're not paying attention. So I believe I am good to go. And after that, you know, you're set. What you want to do is get a brush down your fade, because that sponge will mess up your fade. If you brushed it beforehand, you're gonna have to do it over again. You know, especially if you got a fresh cut, you want to look sharp as possible. My camera died on me, but we're still going. So what you want to do is, as I said earlier, make sure you brush the fade, back. I like to keep my hand over the curls so I don't brush the curls. You know, it's really easy to just mess this up if you're not paying attention. But it's like, it's just so simple, you know. Make sure you look fresh, and then bada bing, bada boom, you are done and you are good to go. Here's a short 360 of what the hair is looking like. So that's what we're working with right now. About, I want to say 6 months of progress. Been growing it out since like March. So just about that. I don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah, that's what we're working with right now. Also, one last thing I forgot to tell you guys. When you guys are working with a curl sponge, you guys want to, like, when you're finished using it, don't leave it out. I know a lot of y'all like to do it with your brushes, but it's not the same. That John really collects dirt and dust like really fast. So get yourself like a little plastic bag. It could be like a Walmart bag, it could be like a corner store bag, anything. And just keep it inside there when you're not using it. That way it can stay clean. So that's pretty much this method. That's my curl sponge method. I tried to make one earlier, but I couldn't because classes just got in the way. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what other kind of methods you want me to do. Also, let me know what else you want to see on this channel, because I'm pretty much open to almost anything. Make sure to follow me on social media. Links will be down below in this video. I'll also leave the links down below in the description. And lastly, make sure to click the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.